Jobsite joshers are joshing around.
Since you two are always messing up, I'm gonna have to watch you today and see what you're doing wrong.
You would be impressed with this, Master. This fan is gonna be looking spectacular.
Tor, how much longer till it's done?
Just got it done, Cor. Cor, wait a second. Cor, turn the fan on.
I can't! It'll be on for a minimum of 30 seconds!
What the hell? You made a time delay electromechanical relay?
Well, we just tried to make it fancy.
How much money did you spend on those parts?
Well,
I just got the invoice from Lowe's. You spent $150 on a timer alone?
we got a nice one with a brushed finish.
This is a residential project, not industrial. Why would you even get a brush finish timer anyways? It'd be in the damn wall.
Guys, I'm still getting hit by the fan.
Can he not just, step down? You idiots are the bane of my existence.